You've probably heard the buzz around Spaceship, right? It's that cool, new way to invest. But here's the burning question: is Spaceship a mutual fund? Let's dive in and find out. Before we answer that, let's quickly recap what a mutual fund is. Essentially, it's a pool of money from many investors, managed by a professional fund manager. This manager invests the money in various assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate. The idea is to diversify your investments and spread the risk. Is Spaceship a mutual fund? Short answer: no, Spaceship isn't a traditional mutual fund. Why not? Direct investing: unlike mutual funds, Spaceship allows you to invest directly in stocks and ETFs, exchange-traded funds. This means you have more control over your investments and can choose exactly where your money goes. Automated investing: Spaceship uses a strategy called dollar cost averaging, DCA, to automatically invest your money regularly. This helps smooth out market volatility and can potentially lead to better long-term returns. Theme-based portfolios: Spaceship offers a range of theme-based portfolios, such as Future of Tech, Ethical Investing, and Global Growth. These portfolios are curated by experts and align with specific investment goals. Gamification: Spaceship gamifies the investing experience with features like Spaceship points and missions. This makes investing fun and engaging, especially for younger investors. So, what is Spaceship? Spaceship is a modern investment platform that combines the best of both worlds, the simplicity of a mutual fund and the flexibility of direct investing. It offers a user-friendly interface, automated investing, and a range of investment options to suit different risk tolerances and financial goals. Key benefits of using Spaceship: accessibility: you can start investing with as little as $5. Diversification: Spaceship's portfolios are diversified across various assets and regions. Low fees: Spaceship charges low fees compared to many traditional investment platforms. Education and support: Spaceship provides educational resources and customer support to help you make informed investment decisions. Is Spaceship right for you? If you're looking for a simple, affordable, and fun way to start investing, Spaceship could be a great option. However, it's important to do your own research and consider your financial goals before making any investment decisions. While Spaceship isn't a traditional mutual fund, it offers many of the same benefits, such as diversification and professional management. With its unique features and user-friendly platform, Spaceship is a great choice for both beginner and experienced investors. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.